My name is Mark Samuelson, and I'm an Executive Vice President with PAC Worldwide.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Family certainly always comes number one. I've got a great wife and two daughters, so I like that. I listen to a lot of music, and I play a fair amount of golf.
If you could live anywhere else in the world, where would it be?
I like the Pacific Northwest. I don't really have any other desires to live somewhere else.
Could you talk to me about the team commandments at PAC?
The team commandments are really critical to PAC. They're one of the things that really keeps our culture vibrant. We work through most every problem, and because of our teamwork and our nature to get along and work through the problem. The team commandments are largely to treat people the way you want to be treated.
What's most exciting to you about the company at this point, looking ahead?
Yeah, what's exciting is, gosh, the growth is, it's really just been phenomenal. Working together as a team to put these things together has just been really, really exciting.